In this video, I'll compare two really powerful research tools for any e-commerce business, Pexda and Niche Scraper. Now, whether you're running Amazon FBA or dropshipping businesses, using the right research tools to find the best products to sell and being able to learn from your competitors is going to be an absolute game changer for your business. If you pick the wrong tool, you're going to waste time and money. So watch this video all the way to the end so I can help you make the right decision. I'm going to cover important information about each of these tools one at a time. I'm going to talk about their product discovery features, supplier database, pricing and subscription costs, automation features, and so much more. For your convenience, I've included the links to both Niche Scraper and Pexda in the description so you can check them out, and let's get started. Pexda stands out in its product discovery by providing a curated list of winning products. These selections are updated daily and they're accompanied by data-driven insights, including sales trends and potential profitability. The platform offers a star rating system, which helps users identify quickly the top-performing products across various e-commerce platforms, including AliExpress, Amazon, and eBay. Now let's talk about their market analysis. So the market analysis capabilities of Pexda are very robust. They're offering detailed insights into how each product performs in the market, including data on sales volume, geographic popularity, as well as demographic targeting. Pexda also provides Facebook ad insights for each product, including the ad copy, engagement rates, and audience demographics, which are invaluable for crafting effective marketing campaigns. But how does it integrate with other platforms? Well, Pexda integrates directly with Shopify, allowing users to easily import products into their stores. While it focuses primarily on Shopify, the insights it provides are also applicable to other e-commerce platforms, though direct integration might be limited. What about their supplier database? Well, Pexda does not have a built-in supplier database. Instead, it links directly to the suppliers on AliExpress, facilitating a straightforward way to connect with suppliers, but without the additional vetting or ratings that some other tools provide. So what about the pricing and profitability tools? Pexda includes a built-in profitability calculator that helps users estimate profit margins by considering product costs, selling prices, and estimated advertising expenses. This tool is essential for users who want to evaluate the financial viability for each product before they actually commit to something. So what about the user interface and ease of use? The user interface of Pexda is intuitive and it's really good. It's designed to help even beginners navigate through the tool effectively. It's clean and organized, and it makes it easy to access different features and find the necessary information quickly. The customer support and community is also pretty good. They actually offer customer support via email, and they have an active presence on social media where they share updates and engage with users. Additionally, Pexda provides access to a private Facebook group where you can exchange tips, ask stories, as well as share your success. But now you're probably wondering about how much all of this actually costs. So let's look at their pricing. Now, Pexda offers a subscription model, and as you can see, for a limited time, you can get a 50% off. They've got a standard plan starting at $195 for 14 days, and then it goes up to almost $15 a month. The premium, which is really popular, it's the most popular one, and then it goes up to ultimate if you want to scale your business at almost $100 a month. And so you can see what's included in each of these subscriptions here. If you want to try out any one of them, you can use the link in the description and sign up. You can also cancel anytime, so there's no commitment. What about automation features? While Pexda does not focus on automation of dropshipping operations like order fulfillment, it automates the process of product and ad research, significantly reducing the time and effort that it takes you to identify profitable products and effective ads. So what about analytics and reporting? Pexda provides detailed analytics on product performance and ad success, which helps users make informed decisions based on real-time data. The platform's reporting tools are geared towards optimizing e-commerce and advertising strategies. Now, if you're using a phone, if you want to be able to access Pexda on your mobile device, unfortunately, they don't offer a mobile app right now, which could be a limitation if you're planning on managing your business through your phone. but it shouldn't be a problem. Most people use their laptop anyway for business. As far as reviews and user feedback goes, user feedback for Pexda is generally pretty positive. Many users appreciate the quality of the product insights and the ease of integrating with Shopify. Some users, however, wish there was more extensive platform integration, so with other platforms, and maybe some additional features for supplier management. Overall, Pexda is a powerful tool for dropshippers that are focused on discovering winning products and leveraging data-driven insights for successful entry into the market. Its strength is in product curation and ad analysis, which makes it really valuable, especially if you're using Shopify. And it could benefit from broader integration with other e-commerce platforms and a mobile app, but that's something that they might upgrade and add in the future, so stay tuned. NicheScraper excels in product discovery. You can see they have an entire section right here on their website. They've got a product scraper and also a section called Handpicked. You get access to a handpicked selection of trending products here. The platform utilizes a robust scraping technology to analyze thousands of products daily from e-commerce platforms like Shopify, AliExpress, and more. Users can search through these products using advanced filtering options, including profitability, sales volume, and recent trends, making it a really powerful tool for uncovering hidden gems. Now, what about market analysis? Well, market analysis is another really strong suit for NicheScraper. It offers detailed insights into product trends, demand, and competition levels. Users can also access sales data and engagement statistics to better understand the market dynamics of potential products. This comprehensive analysis is essential for making informed decisions and staying ahead in really competitive markets. But what about their integration with other platforms? NicheScraper provides seamless integration with Shopify, allowing users to easily import products into their Shopify stores. And while the focus is primarily on Shopify, it offers enough information to be useful for people that are using other platforms as well, although direct integration might be limited with other platforms. But what about their supplier database? Well, NicheScraper does not directly offer a supplier database, but it focuses more on product metrics and trends. Users need to conduct their own supplier research or pair NicheScraper with another tool that offers direct supplier connections. And what about their profitability and pricing tools? Well, NicheScraper includes a profit calculator that helps estimate the potential earnings by considering various factors like shipping costs, product costs, and suggested retail prices. This tool is invaluable. It's super useful for quickly assessing whether a product could actually make you money or if it's gonna destroy your business. Now, what about the user interface and ease of use? The user interface of NicheScraper is straightforward. It's pretty easy, although it doesn't look as beautiful as some other platforms that I've seen, but I guess that doesn't really matter because it's still really powerful and it does the job, which is what really matters at the end of the day. They do have clear navigation and explanatory elements that makes it easy for most users to find all their features. As you can see, their product discovery, market research, and all the stuff is right here on their homepage for you to easily see, so you know exactly what to do. Now, what about customer support and community? Well, NicheScrapers offers customer support through email and an extensive knowledge base. They also have an active Facebook group where users can share insights, they can ask questions, and they can learn from each other's experiences. So it's a really healthy platform in that matter. What about their pricing? Well, pricing is obviously important, so let's see how much it actually costs. Now, NicheScraper does not actually have a clear pricing section on their website, which is kind of annoying, but if you actually Google their pricing, you can see a review that tells you that their Scraper Pro plan starts at about $50 a month, and they offer lots of comprehensive features such as analysis of AdSpy and Shopify stores. The good thing about NicheScraper is that you don't have to worry about that because you can actually get started with it completely for free. What about automation features? Now, NicheScraper does not offer extensive automation features for managing like regular day-to-day dropshipping operations, but its product scraping and analytics can help you streamline the product research phase by a mile. It's just amazing. So what about analytics and reporting? The platform offers detailed analytics and reporting features, allowing users to track product performances and market trends comprehensively. These insights are crucial crucial for adapting strategies and maximizing your sales. Now, if you're planning on using Knee Scraper on your phone, you want to see like the results and check your data. Unfortunately, they don't actually offer a mobile app at this moment, which could be a downside if you're planning on using your phone. Chances are you're probably doing most of your business from your laptop anyway, so that shouldn't really be a deal breaker. Overall, the reviews and user feedback for Knee Scraper is largely very positive, with people praising the really effective product discovery and comprehensive market analysis capabilities. If you look at their FAQ section, they tell you like what's so special about Knee Scraper. Well, they have one of the most advanced product web crawlers available, and it's written by ex-Facebook and ex-Instagram employees. It is capable of analyzing trends and data to reveal true winning products that no other product research service can compete with. So that's a huge, really bold statement. And you know what? The fact that it was written by ex-Facebook and Instagram employees kind of signals that the product is probably really, really good. That's what I would assume if I didn't know anything about it. Clearly, Knee Scraper is an excellent choice for dropshippers focusing on discovering trending products and analyzing market opportunities. Now, as you can see, both tools have their pros and cons, and the best one for you depends on your specific needs. If you're interested in starting a new e-commerce business, or maybe you want to move your existing business to another platform, I'd recommend Shopify. It's one of the most popular e-commerce platforms in the world, and you can try it out for an entire month for just $1. For your convenience, I've included the links to all tools, platforms, and relevant resources to help you with your business. It's in the description box below. Drop any questions you have in the comment section, and I'll do my best to help you out as soon as I can. Thanks for watching.